Beast Bud. Back now. We're in the middle of the Arctic here. As you can see, there's lots of snow. Lots of glaciers falling on me.
No civilization for miles.
Like, as you can see, there's nowhere to go.
Yeah.
So I'm starting to construct a home. But the way to do that is to break down a fucking tree.
Yeah.
I need to fucking do that.
Yeah.
First things first.
We also we got a companion. He's
Companion dog, Beast Blood dog that we found.
yeah, our Beast Blood sniffed him out. He's right over there. And
He's sniffing out wild animals for us, like bears.
he helped us take down a cougar. So here, let's do this. There's a punk tree over here. This is the one we need to take out. Okay? And Beast Blood. $3,000 pounds of force.
Sheer force.
Yeah.
Stacked up in that tree. You see that tree? That's Shaquille O'Neal. 2,000 pounds of sheer force. When I used to play football, back in like high school, I used to take out run backs like this. Like that.
Holy shit.
Fuck that. Take two. Fucking asshole tree. See that shit? He's hacking. See, I broke his spine. Now it's time for me to finish off. This is my tree. First piece of wood. It's about the size of this is a play stick for my dog. So. Alright, we'll see you back at my camp.